Coming into Baffle Creek along Coast Road, 3 kilometres from Rules Beach, you'll come to the Caravan Park. And this is our park, 40-site caravan park on 23 acres, from Coast Road here at the front to the river at the back. As you can see out there, there's heaps of open space, plenty of room for a game of football or cricket in more than one area of the park. Let's go in and have a look. Every one of our sites are capable of holding a large van, a boat and trailer and a car with a little extra room, and most are shady. We have excellent quality drinking water and there's seldom any sandflies in the park. One of our ensuite blocks there, there's 2 of those. And this is the main toilet and laundry. On-site accommodation consists of on-site van cabins like this one here, which will sleep 9 people. To a cottage like this one here. It's a cottage again from the front with a barbecue, undercover car parking, and this is one of our on-site vans. And up there on the hill, that's the clubhouse. Looking out from the rear of the clubhouse, you look across the river flats, down to the creek, and there's a few boats still out. Down there we have a boat ramp and fish cleaning bench. We're just in a channel here, off the main creek, separated by that island in front. If we go out here, that's our own little jetty. We've got a light on the pole. Night time you can have a fish down here if you want to. And now we're looking out across the main river there, over across to the mouth of Baffle Creek, which runs into this estuary. And this is our beach, Rules Beach.